What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the Sofi stock. We have a lot of great information for you today. Anybody new to the channel, if you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily on all of the breaking news with the Sofi stock. And guys, I'm telling you right now, this company had an amazing earnings 3 weeks ago. But we had three nasty analysts come out with crazy sell ratings, $3, $4, $6 price targets, just nonstop manipulation, just picking out, the worst case scenarios and running with it in the headlines. And I'm telling you right now, I continue to bring these videos to everybody because some people are new to the stock market and they will get shaken out and sell for a loss when they read headlines like that. And then the analysts will go behind your back and accumulate millions upon millions of shares. This is what they do to get richer and richer. They have to manipulate the market to just continue to make profits and profits, for their customers, for their business, just nonstop every single day. This is what they do. And I'm telling you right now, the reason why I'm holding this stock is because I see a market that has not been disrupted for decades and decades and decades, and that is the banking industry. I think these companies are screwing people all around, America and all around the world with no interest and high fees. And I think Sofi is going to change that and go all digital and reward customers with the cost savings, in their pocket. And that's exactly what they are doing. I believe Sofi is truly trying to get people's money right, and that's why I bank with them. And I also believe the management, stands behind the product and they continue to accumulate shares. And I will not sell until the management sells. I mean, I'm talking about my overall position. Once management starts dumping their shares, I'm out because that's worst case scenario. But these guys have massive incentives. A lot of people already know this to the channel. I'm just covering it to make sure because we got, thousands of new people following the channel. These guys are going to get massive bonuses if the stock hits a specific price. That's another reason why I want to be invested in this stock, because the management has another reason to continue to work harder and harder every day. When you see them make moves like, signing with the NBA, signing a partnership with the NFL, they are doing those moves to benefit a profit in the future, to make this company make more money in the future. So don't question the moves that management makes, because I'm telling you, these guys are smarter than 99% of people out there. So guys, you're going to see some crazy information in this video. Be prepared. It's going to be a great video. Smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. All right, guys, 20-second recap on the overall market. Today, I'm filming this video on a Friday. S&P 500 flat, Dow flat, NASDAQ red, 0.28, Russell 2000 small cap kind of flat, oil getting hammered. Sofi, it was just a pump dump type of day, just nonstop volatility. Finished green by literally 1 penny. We've seen stuff like this every single time. It's nothing new to Sofi. So literally a super flat day. Market cap still under 8 billion. Volume today was extremely low. Look at this. Half of the volume of the 50 million volume at 26 million and still finishing green. So guys, in my personal opinion, I believe this stock is massively shorted. We all know that. We're talking 17%. And I believe the shorts are running out of fuel because there are buyers coming in and continue to add these shares every time the stock goes red at the $8 level. Now, once again, guys, I have all my investments in Sofi, but I just like looking at the Robinhood charts because, they've been doing this for a long time. But I just want you to know I don't have any money, inside of the Robinhood stock right now. For anybody, asking. But, just looking at the overall market today, these are the stocks that we watch, guys. About 10 companies, and you can see Coinbase, Palantir, Upstart, Firm, Nubank was in the red. Sofi finished at the bottom of the green. PayPal and Lending Club had a decent day, and then Robinhood was the super mover today at 4.5%. I mean, this stock has been in a downtrend for 2 years, hitting levels of about $7. So they're finally making their way out of their 2-year nasty downtrend. And I believe Sofi is executing better than Robinhood, and I think we're going to be moving eventually, regardless of what's happening with the short sellers. Now, guys, the only problem I have with Robinhood right now is the CEO is coming out hyping up their 24-hour market, breaking trading volume records this week. And then I comment, hey, you pulled Sofi off your 24-hour trading at Vlad. Would love to hear why that happened. Doubt we get a truthful answer. So it's very weird how, Sofi got added to the 24-hour trading and then they got kicked off. So those 10 companies I showed you, there's only like 2 out of 10, that aren't on there. I believe one of them's Lending Club, which, probably doesn't have a lot of volume at all. and then SoFi just gets kicked out. So 9,000 people saw this. Everybody wants an answer. So hopefully we get an answer for the reason why, because they're supposed to be democratizing, investing, and this isn't democratizing investing. This is, taking away companies and people's opportunity to see 24-hour and trade 24-hour. So that's a problem I have with Robinhood. So guys, what you're looking at right here is an article from Seeking Alpha written by Data Investing on Twitter, who follows, all of the SoFi updates, earnings, and writes headlines. So go check them out. But you guys need to understand that these are the bonuses that I'm talking about for the SoFi stock, okay? These are the management. We got Noto, Crystal Point, the CFO, Noto's the CEO, and we have Derek White, who is the CEO of Galileo. And you can see they are going to get bonuses at the $25 level, the $35 level, and the $45 level, guys. This has to happen at a time period of 2026. I believe it's like the midway point. So anybody new, to this channel or the SoFi stock, understand management has incentives to get this bad boy moving. And even though the stock is not moving, the company has continued to get stronger and stronger. I mean, guys, we're talking printing money now, profitability, full year profitability, looking to make $1 billion of profits by 2026. A lot of good things are going SoFi's way. Just the stock is in the crapper. And a big reason why is because it's getting shorted 150 million shares. But guys, take a look. We're talking $100 million bonus for Noto at 45, 12 million bonus for LaPointe, 11 million bonus for Derek White. So this is something to really look into. This is a reason why I have confidence in this stock, over the next 3 more years, 2024, 2025, 2026. Guys, before we know it, this year is going to be over. Time is flying when you're investing and following these markets. I mean, I'm enjoying the ride. It's fun. I love the volatility. I keep accumulating shares when the stock goes red because I believe they are executing inside the company. And my bullish thesis, guys, maybe not 2026, but, maybe 5 years out, I think this company is going to print billions of dollars. I'm talking $2-3 billion in profits. And this company hasn't been around that long. We're talking 2013. It took some of these banks 100 to 200 years to make $2-3 billion in profits. They're doing it 1,000% faster, 10 times faster, because they are changing the game in finance. Guys, this is just a little post I put out. You're gonna see little bulletin points on my Twitter, so go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Guys, take a look. The snowball effect is happening. If SoFi can maintain 25% growth over the next 3 years, SoFi will have 15 times their revenue from 2018 to 2026. Yes, guys, a 1,500% increase. Look at this. Full year revenue, guys. These are all in the bag. These are done. 270, 2018, 451 million, 2019, 620 million, 2020, 1.1 billion, 2021, 2022, 1.5 billion, 2.1 billion, 2023. And these are my estimates, what I believe the SoFi stock will hit the next 3 years, guys. 2.7 billion, 3.4 billion, and 4.2 billion in 2026. So this company's gonna be printing, $1 billion in revenue, not that far away. Potentially 2025, they're gonna be busting out, $1 billion revenue quarters. It's just crazy because this company has not been around for, even 2013. It hasn't been around that long at all. All right, guys, this is the big headline. This is what we're gonna cover in today's video. We watch Fintel. Sometimes the filings get updated a couple weeks later. But we got a confirmation on Morgan Stanley, guys, and I just want you to really see this, okay? Just 3 weeks ago, Morgan Stanley, Jeffrey Adelson gave SoFi a sell rating and a $650 sell target, hammering the SoFi stock, guys. This was, a day after the earnings or whenever, right around our earnings report. Morgan Stanley has officially posted their SoFi position on Fintel. This is confirmed, guys. They increased their shares by 22%, okay? Now, this could be for their Morgan Stanley investors. I personally believe it doesn't matter because Morgan Stanley, as an overall business, is saying SoFi is a sell rating at a $6.50, price target, okay? And now their shares are up to 10.7 million, okay? This does not make sense, guys. There's no integrity in this company, okay? And I believe that they will continue to lose market share, across the world, these next, couple of years because they are not doing things the right way. So guys, take a look. Right here, you can have the Fintel update. Look at this, 22% increase right here, 10.7 million shares. So guys, this is on Tip Ranks. This is Jeffrey Adelson. You can see he's a 3-star analyst. And if you just scroll down over here on the side, you can see SoFi sell rating January 31st, $650 price target. Absolutely insane, the manipulation that these analysts continue to do, guys. They just continue to wipe out new retail investors inside of the market that don't understand if these guys are being truthful or not. And some people will believe these guys, and that'll cause these massive sell-offs, 10, 20, 30%, because you get companies like this with no integrity. And just a couple of days later, you get the analysts pushing these media headlines. Run for the hills, says Morgan Stanley about the SoFi stock. We're not going to read this garbage because, I mean, these guys own, 10 million shares, adding 22%. I don't care if it's for their company. I don't care if it's for their investors. I don't care. I'm saying this business is putting their name on these shares, but they're saying that the stock is accelerating at $6. It's complete garbage manipulation, and it will never stop. I just am doing my part to make sure people are aware of this nonsense, because I knew when I saw the SoFi earnings, there should be nothing but green across the board from these analysts, and we didn't even get that. We had all of our competitor legacy banks give us, flat price targets, just holds. It's just insane how manipulated the SoFi stock is. And just look at the short interest. You can see what's going on behind the scenes. 150 million shares are sold short right now. If you made it to the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. This is Stock Goat YouTube channel. Have a great weekend.